Oh, when you have so many things like motorcycles, cars, trucks, the list of the to-do list is just never ending. I mean, between cleaning the vehicles, making sure all the oil's changed, making sure all the trucks are serviced, making sure, I don't know, doing things to them, but it just doesn't end. So what am I doing now? What do you think I'm up to now? Yeah, what am I up to? I've got another motorcycle project. It's called Install the Highway Bars on my... Which vehicle is it? They're all under the cover. Which one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo? Which one should I show the show? Hey, we're going to do the Indian Sport Chief right here. And we're going to put some brand new highway bars on it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's not that hard at all, so stay tuned. Okay, time to get motivated. It's all about getting motivated. We have these projects and got to put the highway bars on the new Sport Chief. I'm sorry. I think you're crazy. You're crazy if you don't put highway bars on your bike. These other bikes over here have highway bars. All it takes is slip on that bike and for it to go down, drop it, and guess what? Huge damage instantly to your motorcycle because you didn't want to spend money for crash bars. So what am I going to do? I'm going to show you how to put crash bars on the Indian Chief series. Really simple. And let's go over here and look at the box. Got my old timer's good old knife here to open it up. And let's see here. All right, let's just see how good the old timer knife is right here as I cut open the boxy. And you know, it's just incredible. This these highway bars are $400. $400 for a set of metal bars. I mean, are we living in crazy times? Crazy times. Look here. Look at this big ass bar. So that's a $200 piece of metal right there. Like how Indian does a good job on packaging things. But anyways, let me get the bike, pull it out, and get it positioned on my nice Indian carpet here where the puppies are, and show you how to put on your nice highway bars. One viewer here yesterday is like, hey, can you uncover all your bikes so I can see what you own? I'm like, oh my gosh, you know what a project it is to constantly cover these bikes? Uncover the bike, it's a project. Yeah, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bikes in my shop. Yeah, 10 covers. Speaking of covers, I would definitely go and buy the Tourmaster indoor cover. These things are like anywhere from $25 to $30, depending how big your bike is or how small it is. It's a great product, great material, and very easy to put on, very easy to take off. And I mean, $25, are you kidding me? It's nothing. That's awesome. Oh wow, even for me, all the addictions of my vehicles, I just can't keep track. So get this. So Indian has changed up the battery tender where it's already built into the bike here. And where is it even? It's up here. See there? It's just a plug-in. It's already set up for the bike. I did a whole video of being mad at these motorcycle all these motorcycle manufacturers don't have a battery tender plug. And now Indian's doing that. They have a whole little plug set up for you. Pretty cool. Oh, the dilemmas, the challenges. And not the dogs, the bikes. Look, I have a beautiful lift. Beautiful lift back here. Do I use it? Nope. They're crawling on my hands and knees. Yep. So I got a carpet surface. But here's the thing. I have an Indian Chief bobber hidden underneath this cover. So let's check this one out because I've done the highway bar install before. But see right here? There it is. It's right there. I already know how to do this just because I can look at this bike here. It's so incredible on how these two Indian Chiefs are just two totally different type of motorcycles. Let's see here. All right, this is my 2022 Indian Chief bobber that I bought last December for my Christmas present. Used, bought it used. The person that owned it before me, they actually did a upgraded exhaust. They did an upgraded stage 1 air cleaner intake right here in a tune. And just incredible on how I've barely ridden this motorcycle, but I got a dead battery, and Polaris plays hardball on batteries. You know, even though this bike is not even technically a year old, Polaris will challenge you on that battery. So ridiculous. Just is it that bad? But anyways, look at these. But they're not. I mean, it's the exact same frame. That is the 116 motor. This is the 111. But it's just the same setup. But it's not. This has the regular conventional telescopic forks. That has the inverted forks. This here has your regular old kind of nice shocks. This has the Fox piggyback, or whatever they call it, racing shocks. So here, inverted forks. Look at the front disc. Huge, 2 discs. Let's check up here on the Chief Bobber. There's 1 disc. Look at the tire. Look at the wheel. Whole different wheel and tire. Believe it or not. So just a lot of differences, even though they're the same bike, but they're not. Different handlebars. This has the mini apes. And it's a lot of fun. This is a very fun motorcycle to ride. Look at the foot controls. You have flat-footed boards. This has the pegs. So you sit totally different on this Indian Chief. It's a whole different ride compared to the Chief Bobber. So anyways, you can see the bars. You can see it's a pretty simple install. And like I said, I think I did a video on this in Florida of me showing you how to do the exact same thing. But look, it's such a great thing to have. If the bike falls over, the odds are it's not going to dent your tank. Could you scratch the back? You could. But it's all about that gas tank. That gets expensive. Look at the little mini bags that I put on this one here. I really like these. I was going to do the same thing down in Florida, and I never got around to doing it. Kind of a tough summer for me. But anyways, just watch me as I show you how to put these highway bars. I call them the crash bars. Oh wow, yikes. I was getting nervous. I was opening up that big box. I didn't see any bolts. Should be 4 bolts here. There is. So just really simple. Nothing hard at all. Probably an Allen. What is that? Probably like a 10, 8. Let's find out. Okay, it's an 8mm. How about that? So there's my sockets and my Allen and my gun. And like I say, I've already got another motorcycle just to work off of that. So it should probably be a bolt, something right there. It is. See there? So there's already a pre-drilled hole for that. And right here, look, there's already a pre-drilled hole here. So I should just be able to take, or maybe that one. I think it's that one there. That'd make more sense. But we go up to this bike here, and I can tell you right away. And when I did this down in Florida at first, it was kind of like, what's the angle? And you know, it's interesting. I had to take this floorboard apart to get to it. I just remembered that. So, all right, let's go over here and figure it all out. Hey, I am figuring it out. Is the puppy figuring it out? So we have a carpeted surface. Concrete to carpet. This is so cool. Look, I can just set this thing down. And I'm not going to be freaking out with me setting it down. My dog's probably going to scratch it up. But see there? And using my other bike, it's just bing, bam, done. Hey, don't eat my bar. Look at this here. This dog's gonna eat my bar. Get away from my, get away from me. Come on. Get out of here. Jesus Christ. The puppy's driving me nuts. Now what's the odds of the dog, my dog? Okay, so he wants to be right here participating in this video. I mean, look, no. Don't eat my bar. Get away. Get. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I mean, is that incredible? Yeah, that's incredible. Anyways, he's got a project now. Go distract him. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can do this. I'm going to get 2 hands. Okay, easy breezy. You see there, just get that one lined up. Get this one lined up. And bing, bam, done. Not that hard at all. All right, look at that there. Got a love speed gun. See here? Here's here. Take it. Crank her down. Bing, bam. Can't find your ball, can you? It's radical. All right, got the dog his ball back, whatever. Hey, so these bolts, look, there's no washers, nothing. I mean, this thing just tightens down. Look at that. To me, it looks good. And, well, that would be a problem. He didn't like that ball being next to him. So, here we are, going to the left side now. Right side looks good. All right, same thing. Speed drills, speed guns, only way to go. You can afford the money, you need to buy it if you're doing work. And then back here, it's so tight with this fender. I gotta have two hands on this. And here comes the noise. And where's the puppy? I don't even know where the puppy is. There she is. Gotta get the pipe on there going. I don't know. Okie dokie, okay, we got her done. How about that, huh? I think it looks really good. I like the way it looks. And you know what? They have lowers, I think, for these. Little leather lowers. You can put them down for the winter months. Get a little bit of deflection off the cold air. So, hope everybody likes the video here. I know I do a lot of talking. Or tablet talker. So anyways, hope this video helps you install your highway bars, crash bars, whatever the diplomatic thing is to say. Chief motorcycle is universal, super chief, bobber chief, sport chief, regular chief, all the chiefs. And I'm not sitting on the headrest, so I'm not going to get in trouble. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more adventures. My question now is, do I take this off my bobber? I just need to buy a new exhaust. What exhaust do I buy for the Indian Chief? Sport Chief, that is. Yeah, stay tuned. God bless, stay safe. Have a great evening.